What's up? So everybody's cooped up with this COVID-19 coronavirus quarantine. So we decided with a couple things around the house that we would make some Corona quarantine Dutch oven monkey bread. Super simple. Some butter that we're about to melt, biscuits, and cinnamon and sugar. So let's see how it goes. First thing we're going to do, we're going to melt the butter. Alright, so now that our butter is melted, we'll take that off, set that to the side. Basically, all we do take some biscuits, just kind of quarter them up, cut them up, nothing fancy. Start ripping them up, throw them in the cinnamon and sugar. So all of the ingredients, the exact measurements, whatever, are down below. It's a half cup of sugar and a quarter cup of cinnamon. Super easy. So we'll give it a little flip. Alright, so now for the butter. Just kind of gets drizzled on top. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so like I said, we're doing this in the backyard just kind of as a stuck at the house, nothing better to do. We had the stuff, fire pit from Pat's Fab Shop. I'm going to put a link to their Facebook page down below. They make some pretty cool stuff out there. They do ship all over the country, probably all over the world, I don't know. So let's get this on the fire. All right, we want a couple little coals on the bottom. Then I've got this handy dandy catch pan underneath that'll get us the coals for the top. "15 minutes later, and we eat."